Every day, I work with people like you in order to optimize their heart health by integrating the best in evidence-guided precision as well as lifestyle medicine.
How do we implement physical activity as the fifth vital sign?
You know, when you hear meditation, oftentimes you think Buddha on the mountaintop, but there's more to it.
What is the evidence-based message around the most critical things when it comes to nutrition?
I'm going to talk about the truth and some of the fiction that surrounds dietary supplements.
When it comes to lifestyle, there's a lot that we can actually be doing to be preventative and taking care of our reproductive health.
I'm going to be covering my Tiger Protocol, which will teach you all about the 5 root causes of autoimmune disease.
How this system of Ayurveda, which is a system of self-care and wellness, and actually the ancient medical system from India, which is still practiced today.
What can we do as a family through lifestyle choices that will really allow our children and our children's brains to grow into the best brains that they were meant to be?
I'm excited to talk about how to decrease stress with the mind-body connection.
I will be speaking on the topic of how to optimize your brain health utilizing the pillars of lifestyle medicine.
I'll be talking about the #1 cause of disability, low back pain, and really taking a unique perspective and approach to this that is a lifestyle medicine integrative approach.
My topic is talking about food and fitness and menopause.
Harnessing the power of our daily habits to optimize our immune system health and healing.
Lifestyle medicine truly works and it helps the patients to feel empowered.